How to fix RCS chat stuck on settings. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button on top right. Then search apps. You'll find apps and notification. Click on it and then you'll find messages. Click on it. Force stop the app. After you've force stopped the app, simply click on Storage and Cache. Clear cache and clear storage. After you simply do that, restart your device. After restarting your device, simply open the chat and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix RCS chat stuck on settings. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.